Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use PropWire for wholesaling. If you want to try PropWire right away, you can find the link in the description below. To start, visit the PropWire website and create an account if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, you will be able to access all the tools needed to streamline your wholesaling business. PropWire provides data and resources to help you find great deals and connect with sellers. After logging in, you will be on the dashboard. Here, you can search for properties by location, price range, and other filters. To start a search, enter the criteria that suit your wholesale needs. You can filter by property type, price, or even the level of repairs needed. PropWire allows you to target properties that match your specific requirements. When you find a property that interests you, you can click on it for more details. You will see key information such as the asking price, property condition, and the potential profit margin for wholesaling. PropWire also provides contact details for the property owner, so you can reach out and negotiate a deal. PropWire's system also includes an analysis tool. This tool helps you evaluate the profitability of a property for wholesaling. It provides insights like the estimated repair costs and the resale value. This can help you decide if a property is worth pursuing or not. Once you've decided on a property, you can save it to your favorites for easy access. If you want to reach out to the seller, PropWire allows you to send messages directly from the platform. You can use this feature to ask more questions, arrange showings, or negotiate terms. Additionally, PropWire offers a network of other wholesalers and investors. This allows you to find potential buyers for your properties. You can list your properties for sale and connect with interested buyers quickly. To keep track of your activities, PropWire provides a dashboard that shows your current deals, messages, and property listings. You can easily manage your wholesaling business from one place. If you are new to wholesaling, PropWire offers resources and tutorials to help you get started. These materials can guide you through the process of finding, negotiating, and selling properties. That's a brief overview of how to use PropWire for wholesaling. To get started, just visit the link in the description and try PropWire today.